Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a standout tool in the world of riveting, the HRH-3X-777 Deluxe Air Hammer Kit. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile solution for solid and tubular rivets, you're in the right place. This kit has garnered attention for its impressive features and ease of use, making it the best choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This kit includes everything you need to tackle a variety of riveting tasks. You'll find 4 sturdy bucking bars, designed to provide excellent support during the riveting process. Alongside them, there are 4 cupped universal head bits, and 4 offset universal head bits, with sizes ranging from 3/32 to 3/16. This range ensures that you have the right tool for any project, no matter the size. The HRH-3X-777 operates with an air hammer and is recommended to run at an air pressure of 80 to 85 psi. This power source not only ensures efficiency but also provides the strength needed to handle virtually all solid rivet installations up to 3/16 in diameter. It's designed to be easy to use, so you can focus on your work without worrying about complicated setups. One of the standout features of this kit is its versatility. Whether you're working with metal, wood, or other materials, the HRH-3X-777 gets the job done efficiently. The variable speed allows you to adjust your approach based on the material and the specific requirements of your project. But that's not all. The HRH-3X-777 is designed with durability in mind. Its robust construction means it can withstand the rigors of professional use while also being accessible for hobbyists. Plus, with additional size dies available for various head types, round, pan, universal, flat, and flush, you can expand the kit's capabilities as needed. This kit not only excels in functionality but also comes from Hanson Rivet, a brand known for its commitment to quality and performance. At a price point of around $351.23, it's an investment that pays off with every project you tackle. In summary, the HRH-3X-777 Deluxe Air Hammer Kit stands out as the best option for anyone serious about riveting. Its comprehensive set of tools, impressive power, and user-friendly design make it a must-have in your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this kit will elevate your projects to the next level. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, keep crafting and creating.